Mate, just say that again. What did you just say?
I said again. I'll get my sister to give you a blowjob.
You said you were gonna give your sister to give me a blowjob.
Yeah.
And you live in Scotland.
Yeah.
You think that's kind of weird?
Why? But I'll get you in face, bro.
I don't want to be in face.
I'll get you in optic.
I don't want to be in optic.
I'll let you be in do sun kid gay boy.
Let me be in do sun kid gay boy.
Yeah, you gay. Yeah, legit. I'm sorry. Don't do the happy birthday thing again, please don't. I hate it when you do that.
Hey, Amber.
Where's
Hey.
my brother? Why'd you kick him?
It's okay, I didn't kick him.
I shall invite my girlfriend to the party.
Hey, you invite your girlfriend to the party.
Okay.
Why are you making those noises? Why are you making those noises? Are you okay? Are you okay? Who's Shelby?
Yeah, she's my girlfriend, bro.
Mike.
Fuck you, not stealing away from me, you bitch. Hey, Mike, sagging. Doing Netflix and chill.
Okay, I'm just gonna let you to it.
No, stay. No, please. I just made a new friend. Stay, no, please.
I don't want to be your friend.
Okay, I won't be dirty anymore. I'll be good boy. Listen, if Shelby says if I don't be good, she won't get me the chocolate chip cookies. And I love them. They're the best.
Okay, so... Is this your girlfriend?
Yeah? Why?
Are you intimate with her?
What do you mean?
Hard stuff. Like,
Oh yeah, we do sing. We do sing together. We sing together.
Like,
Yeah.
what do you do together?
We play Xbox together.
Yeah, do you do this really advanced thing, which only two advanced couples do? Only advanced couples do this. But the boy kisses the girl on the cheek. So advanced.
No, he just cuddles me. You don't.
He just cuddles you.
Why are you saying that? Do we play football together? Like advanced, you know?
I don't like football.
What the fuck? That means you're gay? What boy doesn't like football?
I like football.
So you're saying basically, what do you mean? Like, what advanced stuff do you mean? Like,
On the cheek.
yeah?
Oh god. I think this party's too immature
No!
for me.
No! I will freaking kick you offline! If you leave.
I don't want to be kicked offline. No,
Bitch, you're the one who's talking of...
I'm epic, Og. I'm really sad. I'm sorry. I will. I'll be more. I'm sorry, okay?
Stop screaming in your mic, mate.
I'm sorry. I just really don't want to be kicked from the party. It'll make me really upset.
Who the fuck do you think you are?
Hey, calm down. It's okay.
Now I'm calling my brother. Fuck, I'm gonna call...
No, don't call your brother.
I'll call my dad. He's a
No,
Pakistani.
speak to your dad.
You wanna speak to Bin Laden who's dead?
I don't. No.
My dad's fucking dead, you cunt. No, so you're calling me immature when you're asking me if I've had sex with Shelby. Yeah, I'm so immature. And yeah, I'm not
guys,
sure.
I hope you've enjoyed this video that I've recorded.
Oh.
But this nutter is insane.
Yeah. You wanna know a secret, mate? Mate, you wanna know a secret? How old are you, by the way?
Bye bye.
Are you 12?